Broadcasting live from the sunny south.
He must have pull it from the front. He gonna have to.
Malcolm X in Pennsylvania. Dart bus trying to make that turn. Concrete busted open.
Oh, no, he is for to pull it from the back. He just told him to come this way. Yeah, he could come this way and pull it. It was a black lady driving it.
If anything, that was not some damn thing
Hey.
to get through there.
She did. It ain't stuck up under the back tire. Yeah, it's something up under the back tire. You just can't see it because you right here. If you go over there and look, you can see something up under there. See it? Don't you see it hanging up in there? Yeah. They was already, the cones was already out. When she went to turn, she cut on the cones, she turned on the cones and all that. She got something up under the bus.
Hey, John.
Yeah, she drug something up under the bus.
Only in the hood. Got your hood commentator telling everybody what went on. I just got here, but yeah. Got the heavy duty wrecker coming out to pull it out. So let's catch it live.
I tell you gonna have to pull that from the back. They already told you that black lady was right. She for one lady.
I know, right? Only in the hood, bro. Only in the hood.
So can't got another black lady, another black bus driver tried to go over there and help her. She went to cussing her out. They went to cussing each other out. You sure okay? Nope. Okay. Yeah, that truck too big. Hell, he finna back. He gonna bag right into that truck, man.
He got it. He a pro at driving.
Oh, yeah, he got it. Well, you finna go home. You better turn out, because I know you're not finna go straight. You run head up into that bitch, you gonna die.
And I got me some front row action going on, y'all. This news you can use only in Dallas, only in the hood. That purple and white big truck, big tow truck finna come help this big old yellow bus.
Where you going, bro? Joe? You might as well stay, homie. You gonna tell him to come by.
And there go another one. Somebody finna be late on their route.
Try to tell him to wait. You see what he's telling me? Oh, no, he's gonna let him go by.
You finna let them go by. They got people that gotta get to their damn destinations.
That truck was already turned on. You better wait.
He said, "We already got a bus down." That's what he said. Back it up. Back it up. Why Dort police ain't out here directing traffic? Okay. Get a rope. Get a rope. Let's watch this unfold, y'all. The door still ain't closed, bro. Get stuff out the way. Hey. So yeah, I'm live in South Dallas, Malcolm X, Pennsylvania. And bus trying to make that left on Pennsylvania from Malcolm X and got stuck in the ditch. Now let's just hope this thing don't flip over while he trying to pull it. Shaking my head, man. Sorry. Nobody was hurt on the bus, y'all. They've been here for over an hour, almost 2 hours. Trying to get unstuck. That sidewalk closed sign is in my way. I need you to move it a little bit. Yeah, that way a little bit. I ain't gonna be able to do it, y'all. I ain't gonna be able to do it. I hold my phone like this. Let me know if y'all can see. There go another bus. And it's rush hour traffic for the buses. He got some anchor to it. On the other side, with the remote bringing the hydraulic thing up. You see him, the crane port? Okay, so this big black truck gonna get in my way so I can't see. But y'all get the picture. Finna hook it up. Oh, his wheels up right there. I just noticed it. Okay. That's all I got.
This is go in your system too quick. I don't need to leave the eye and have to run in there out the damn freeze.
Okay, he harnessing up the bus, y'all. Our supervisors out here doing their job, so
She recording and doing it.
Yeah, she got to. That's an incident report. They gotta go in there and write.
I know, because that lady, they gave all them the white cards that they gave me that day. big lift up and line.
Let's see this hydraulic go to work. Yep, there go that one. There he go. Let's see, is he gonna get it? Yep, it's a going up. Got it jacked up in the back. Keep going. I'm doing something. Oh, didn't this car finna get right here in my way? Come on now. I was trying to stay in my car, y'all. You good? Okay. Now pivot. He hanging the bus, y'all. Huh?
I said how you gonna get it back on the street.
He turning it around. He got it up out that hole.
You fucked up the thing just broke.
He got it up out the hole, y'all. And then push it forward. Drive forward, somebody. Cut the wheel some more. I'm trying to stay in the car because it's too hot and I don't want my phone to overheat. But I want to get y'all this good footage. He telling him to cut that wheel. Told you he just wanted to get him up. Okay, see, it's moving. Bus is moving on out the way. Okay, park it to the side. There you go.
She just come out her pay.
Good job, HBL trucking and towing. Good job. And then he gotta wrap it up. You tow truck drivers and bus drivers, and there's you a heavy duty wrecker. The number right there, 817-900-2222. HBL towing. Alright, y'all, I'm finna wrap it up because obviously we got it undone. And I'ma holler at y'all. We're gonna go live with the Unpredictable Radio Show again later on with some real radio news. Alright, peace out. Oh, okay. Oh, never mind. I thought I was from India. Hold on.